Let us solve for x and y, given s plus y is equal to 4, sy is equal to 34. S plus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 34. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 4. Let us make y the subject. We have y will be equal to 4 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 34. Let us substitute for y, which is 4 minus x. S bracket 4 minus s is equal to 34. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by 4, that will be 4x. Then s multiplied by minus x, that is minus s squared, is equal to 34. Let us take this 34 to the left hand side and equate everything into 0. 4x minus s squared minus 34 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then 4s divided by minus 1. This will give minus 4x minus s squared divided by minus 1. That will give plus s squared. Then minus 34 divided by minus 1. That will give plus 34 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. S squared minus 4x plus 34 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 34. S is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 34 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square. That is 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 34. That is 136 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 136, that is minus 120 divided by 2. Now 120 is equal to 30 multiplied by 4. Then minus 120 is equal to 30 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then we have s is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 30 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 30 divided by 2. This can be written as S is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I root 30 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus I square root of 30. Therefore, S1 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 30, and S2 is equal to 2 minus I square root of 30. These are the values of S. We've gotten the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y from equation 3, Y is equal to 4 minus X. Y1 is equal to 4 minus S1 is 2 plus I square root of 30. And Y2 is equal to 4 minus S2 is 2 minus I square root of 30. Y1 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus I square root of 30. If you open the bracket with negative, Y1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus I square root of 30. This is the value of Y1. Then Y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus I square root of 30. Y2 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 30. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 2 plus I root 30, 2 minus I root 30. S2, Y2 is equal to 2 minus I root 30, 2 plus I root 30. You can see that the value of S1A is equal to the value of Y2A, and the value of Y1A is equal to the value of S2A. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation S plus Y is equal to 4, Sy is equal to 34. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this can be written as 2 plus I root 30 plus 2 minus I root 30 must be equal to 4. This cancel this. We have 2 plus 2 must be equal to 4. 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this can be written as 2 plus I root 30 multiplied by 2 minus I root 30 must be equal to 34. Then here we have 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, minus 2 multiplied by I root 30, this is 2I root 30 plus I root 30 multiplied by 2, that is 2I root 30 Then I root 30 multiplied by minus I root 30. This is minus I square multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. This cancel this. 4 minus I square multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. I square is equal to minus 1. 4 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. This is 4 plus 30 must be equal to 34. 4 plus 30, this is 34, is equal to 34, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.